In this video, I want to talk about how you can get copiers on eToro. So the first step is you want to verify your account and make sure that you have a profile picture and everything like this. And once you've done that and you have been trading for a while, now it's time for you to get some copiers. Now to do this, the first step is you want to make sure that you're eligible. So you need to have a fully verified and funded account. You need to maintain a minimum equity of $1,000. Your risk score needs to be below 7, your daily risk score, and you need to gain at least one copier. This can be your friend or something. It can also just be a random one that has followed you from your profile. And if you want to get the first one, like I said, it can be a friend, it can be someone you know, or you can just start posting on your profile. And if people see that you're doing well, then they will obviously follow you. Now you also need to post at least one update per month on the eToro feed. Now, once you've done this, you can apply for it, and most people get accepted, but if you don't, then you just have to do a little better and then try again later. Now, what you want to do is enhance your profile, which is putting a nice profile picture, do regular updates, engage with the community, and you need to kind of use it as a social media, like it's an Instagram page. So you want to keep updates, you want to like people's comments and stuff like this. Now, step 3 is you want to apply to the Popular Investor Program. Now, the Popular Investor Program is basically where all the popular investors are. It says it's in the name. So once you met everything else and you have a big profile, you want to go to just Google Popular Investor Program eToro, and you can apply in there. And once they review your application, you're going to get accepted or denied. And if you get accepted, you're automatically going to get a lot more copiers because your profile will show up on the eToro page much higher. So that is basically how that works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.